gillykube here. I just noticed that my camera wasn't running and I'd already started, so let me try again. I am going to do today a rainbow wave. So we're actually creating art with a hairdryer. So for those that do these pours, they know that how useful your hairdryer can be. A handy tool to create a different effect. So I use different tools all the time. I love my balloon tool and I love this using a hairdryer. So I meant to put this coat of white on before I started, but I completely forgot. So I'm going to try and see if it will work with me putting it on now. So just bear with me, guys, because it looks a bit like craziness happening here, which it probably is, but hopefully you're going to get a really nice piece of art that's created with the use of a hairdryer. So I always call them my chaos pours. So got that white in there. So this is just my acrylic paint that I just make up in the nice big container, so it's always available. Pouring medium and the recipes in the drop down box underneath this video. So I've got my kind of base there, and I've got it set up for a rainbow wave. So that is a fluoro orange, and I'm going to put some of this cool red in here. Get another. I love doing these pours. And you just relax into them and don't stress about them, and then hopefully you enjoy the process. And it's not and it's something something that you can enjoy at the end too, or you can gift. So it's getting this crest of the wave that always seems a bit difficult, really, when you're first trying these. But you can always scrape the crest off and start again. That's what I've done many times. So I'm starting with these nice fiery colours, but now I'll introduce the brightness, but they really are mostly all the colours of the rainbow for sure. Oh, looking nice and bright. Love it. So that was the bright yellow. Now I'm going to add some of this nice cool blue, so we get the colours galore. Galore. Just add white. I know it looks like a lot of paint, but it's mostly you know, more than 60% of it is the pouring medium, not the actual paint. So I know lots of people stress out about how much paint is used, but it's mostly pouring medium. Rightio, so there's my base for my wave. I'm going to just whiz over it with the heat one to get rid of the air bubbles. Now the next stage is to use my hairdryer as to create the effects of the ocean, of the movement of the ocean. So wish me luck. I will start off by blowing this way. got too much paint on for the crest of this, so I'm going to hold your breath, take a fair bit of that off. I know it looks like I've wasted a lot of paint there, but I didn't like that. I want the shape to go this way, so I'm going to have to try and create that again. We'll see. Hopefully I can correct it. If not, I'll just scrape that top bit off and see what I can get. I'm not too worried about it, and you shouldn't be either. So let's try this again. It's so bright and vibrant. I'm happy with it anyway. I've just got to try and get this right. Let me just see what I can do with the spatula. Try and even it out a bit. Bring that crest over a little bit this way. It's absolutely fine that the blue is mixed in, because it's then looking more like the ocean turbulence. I just work with it, just I'm not worried about my edges yet. I'll worry about those after. I just need to get that crest correct. That's gorgeous. That is gorgeous now. That is absolutely so bright and vibrant. Love that. That is gorgeous. Really happy with that. And remember, it's only yourself you have to please, unless you're doing a commission, which I don't like doing. You buy the paintings that I do. But that is an absolutely gorgeous rainbow chaos pour. Basically a rainbow wave. I think it's lovely, and it's really spirit lifting. So I hope you guys love it too. So get your hairdryer out, guys, and create some art. I will leave some photos on at the end product, and hopefully you like it. Please head over to my Acrylic Art by Gillykube Facebook page and see my little videos on there also. And please join me again tomorrow. And you must take care of yourselves. If you're feeling sad, lonely, upset, please ring a friend, or a helpline, or a family member. Don't go and suffer in silence. Until tomorrow, bye for now. Just wanted to bring you down and just have a look at some of these stunning effects in here. The movement in the paint is just wonderful. There's something weird and wonderful. There's like a big minky whale there showing its face. Some weird and wonderful things certainly come up in your art. It's the whole thing. But just look at the colour. Couldn't get more vibrant and alive than that. Absolutely loving that. It's gorgeous. So go and create yourself some art with a hairdryer and enjoy.